In business, today, we hear a lot about algorithms. They drive our data, predict our markets, and even personalize our customer experiences. But here's the truth. The most powerful algorithm in innovation isn't digital, it's human. The real breakthroughs happen not in servers, but in people, in how they sense, imagine, adapt, balance, and learn together. This is what I call the human algorithm for innovation. Take Emirates Airline, for example, a company that continues to redefine the flying experience in a world that never stands still. When the pandemic grounded global travel, Emirates didn't freeze. They reconfigured passenger planes into cargo carriers within weeks. They redeployed staff, reskilled teams, and used digital learning to keep their people flying, even when the world couldn't. That wasn't luck or size. That was capability, the humankind. An algorithm built not from code, but from culture. Here's how the human algorithm works. First, sense turning data into shared meaning. At Emirates, mixed teams of analysts and cabin crew interpret customer feedback together, transforming numbers into stories that spark change. Second, imagine connecting ideas across industries. The airline borrowed design cues from luxury hotels and retailers to redesign its in-flight service and digital touchpoints. Third, adapt the power to reconfigure fast. Teams constantly test new processes through scenario labs, building agility before the next disruption arrives. Fourth, balance, running today's operations while building tomorrow's innovations. Their rotational programs expose managers to both efficiency and exploration. It's how they stay world-class and forward-thinking at the same time. And finally, learn turning experience into a competitive memory. At the Emirates Aviation College, every insight, every incident becomes a lesson shared across 40,000 employees worldwide. This is the invisible engine of Emirates' success, a deliberate HR architecture that recruits for curiosity, rewards learning, and keeps 160 nationalities connected through one culture of innovation. You can't download that, you can only develop it. Technology may guide the plane, but humans chart the course. So, before investing in the next digital algorithm, ask yourself, is your organization running the human one? Because the future belongs to those who know how to sense, imagine, adapt, balance, and learn. The firm's powered not just by AI, but by augmented humanity,